educate you and to teach you on how to recover your lost Pi or your lost Pi account. And the loss of the Pi or the lost Pi account can be due to any reason. No matter what the reason is, you can recover your Pi and your Pi account. Recovering a lost Pi network account or accessing your Pi coins depends on specific issue that you are facing. In this video, I am going to give you the common scenarios and their respective solutions. Number one reason why you lost your Pi account may be because you forgot your password. If you've forgotten your password, but you still have access to the phone number that you used during registration, this is what you are going to do. Open the Pi Network app, launch the app on your device, select Continue with phone number. Choose these options on the login screen. Enter your phone number, input the number you registered with. Tap Password Forgotten. This will initiate the account recovery process. Follow the prompt. You'll be guided to send an SMS to a Pi network verification number. Ensure you have sufficient credit to send international messages. Then, after this, you reset your password. After verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password. So, that settles that in case you lost the password to the account. Let's look at another scenario where you lost access to the registered phone number. So in this case, it's not just the password, you lost the phone number that you registered with. If you've lost access to the phone number that you used for registration and access to the phone number used for registration and didn't link your account to Facebook, contact Pi Network Support. Visit the Pi Network Support portal and submit a request for account recovery assistance. Provide as much information as possible to verify your identity. The next scenario is when you've forgotten the wallet passphrase. The Pi wallet's passphrase is crucial for accessing your Pi coins. If you've forgotten it, create a new wallet. Unfortunately, passphrases cannot be recovered. You need to generate a new wallet within the Pi Network app. Note that Pi coins stored in the old wallet are inaccessible without the original passphrase. This means that you will lose the coin you have mined in the old wallet if you are creating a new wallet because you forgot your wallet's passphrase. So this means that you should always securely back up your new passphrase. So scenario number 4 is lost mined Pi due to app deletion or phone loss. If you've deleted the app or lost your phone but still have access to your registered phone number or Facebook account, reinstall the Pi Network app. Download and install the app on your new device. Log in. Use the continue with phone number or continue with Facebook option depending on your initial registration method. Access your account once logged in. Your mined Pi should be intact. The following are important tips that you need to note. Regular backups. Always back up your wallet passphrase and store it in a secure location. Link accounts. Consider linking your account to both your phone number and Facebook for multiplier recovery options. Then you need to stay updated. Regularly check official Pi Network communications for updates on security and account management. Also, you can come on this YouTube channel and ask me any question regarding Pi, and I will provide solution to it. For your information, this video is a response to one of my loyal viewers who requested in the comment section of my previous video that how can he recover his lost Pi coins. So this is how you can do it. Follow these steps and you will recover all. Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun is my name and you are on to Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. I will talk to you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and then keep coming back to watch more. Let me have your comments and questions in the comment section below. Enjoy your day and please watch this video that is popping up right now from my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.